Hey guys, Mr. Dykeside here. Today, um, I'll be starting a new playlist or a new playlist. It's gonna be called How Tos, and in this playlist I'll be showing you guys just how to build simple stuff. Then I'll build more complex stuff, and eventually I'll build a redstone playlist as well, which are gonna show you guys some easy redstone creations and some really hard ones. So yeah. Also, before I show you what to do, um, I know I didn't upload yesterday because I was very busy, and I'm still am, but I'm doing it because I gotta upload for you guys. Um, Later on in the day, I'll upload another episode, most likely. So yeah, just telling you guys that. So yeah, okay, let's start. We'll be building a refrigerator today. I know it sounds ridiculous, but yeah. I'm gonna show you two designs. Okay, let's start. First, just get your dispenser dropper. I said you use dropper. It's almost the same thing for this thing. Just put your dropper down there. Put any block on top or quartz. Look better. Oh yeah, forgot. And go up to the dispenser in quartz. Turn around and press your door. And beside this block, this quartz, just put your button, and you're all done. That's your refrigerator. Let's add redstone. So, there you goes. Dispenses. And I have another design that goes into the wall. Okay, let's just build a miniature wall here. Okay, take these two. Replace this one with quartz. Not that one yet. Place a button here. Anyone you want. Place your block here. Your redstone. And put your dispenser. Wait. Okay. Put that bit behind there. Behind there. Put your dropper here. Okay. You can take this away if you want to. And that's all. You can just cover this behind a wall or something like that. So yeah. And just add your door. Oh wait, first, if you want to, you can just add. You can to make it look better. You can. Where is it? Oh yeah, here. You can add a item frame in or anything in there. And there you have it. Let me just go back here. Fill it with some raw mutton. There you go. It's not the best looking, but it's a refrigerator. So yeah, guys, I know this video may be short. That's how these videos gonna be are. So, most of them. So yeah. Also, I'll just tell you guys again. I'll be uploading hopefully another video, not Minecraft related at all. It's a different type of video. Since I didn't upload yesterday, I'll upload two today, hopefully. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I know it wasn't the longest or the best, but that's how these videos gonna be. Sorry guys. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.